Meet the peregrine falcon. In a dive, called a stoop, it reaches over 240 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula One car at full speed. To survive that speed, it has special baffles in its nostrils that regulate airflow so its lungs don't collapse. Nature built its own aerodynamic engineering. When it hits prey mid-air, the impact alone kills it instantly. The falcon doesn't even need to use its beak. Physics does the work. It also sees 8 times sharper than a human, spotting a pigeon from over a mile away before the dive even starts. Nature built the perfect killing machine and made it beautiful. Follow for more animals that break the laws of physics.